Hello my friends, in this short video I will show you how to download your own videos from Facebook without any third parties. Thing number one, it will only work for your own videos which you yourself upload to Facebook. It will not work for other people's videos. So yeah, this is the way. If you want to download somebody else's people's video, you will need to use the third parties, but right now I'm going to explain you how Facebook does it for you. So if I will click right now my video, nothing will happen, but what I would recommend you to do, you need to open this video in enlarged format. So once I click right here, here is a small button which is called click to enlarge. You click this little button. What happened next, you will have the big screen with ads and everything else, and previously the three buttons were right here in the top right corner, but right now these three buttons are right here down below the video in the right bottom corner. So what you need to do, you just click these three buttons and voila, download video button is here. So what you need to do, you click download button. You click this button, you will receive this big screen which actually also have three buttons down there, and you click that and voila, download. I already downloaded my videos a few times, but you will find the link to your video just below here in the downloaded of your browser. So this is a way how you download your own videos, and then you can reuse them in the other people's group or on your page, whatever you want to do with them. Maybe you can even make training and sell it, I don't know. So that's all up to you, and I hope it was helpful. I hope it actually helped you to reuse your videos again and again and again, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.